How to train your brain. Read every day. Remove distraction. Write down ideas. Regularly exercise. Keep a journal. Meditation. Just 5 to 10 minutes of this meditation can help you relax, clear your mind, and leave you more prepared for any mental activity. This can be really crucial during a particularly hard day of work, or if you're having trouble relaxing during your days off. Regularly exercise. Consistent exercise assists in increasing brain function and enhancing neurogenesis. Each time you exercise, you're developing new brain cells, as well as focusing your mind and body on one particularly grueling act, ideally. Get off of the sofa and move around. The brain is going to thank you for it. Make a habit of writing. Writing is a method of telling the memory what's important, clarifying your thoughts, and helping you remember things more easily in the future. It is also a method of exercising your analytical ability and creativity. Laugh. The release of endorphins caused by laughter will reduce stress levels. That's great for long-range brain health. Also, laughter usually leaves you more open to brand new thoughts and ideas. A healthy diet. Our diets have a massive impact upon brain function. The brain consumes more than 20% of all oxygen and nutrients which we consume, therefore remember to feed the brain the good stuff. That is, fresh vegetables and fruit, etc. Get plenty of sleep. Sleep is similar to a mini detoxification for your brain. It's when the body regenerates cells, as well as removes all of the toxins which have built up during the day. Go to bed between the hours of 9 p.m. and 12 a.m. in order to benefit from the most efficient hours of sleep.